sunlight na pareho kayo nandoon. Parang
Actually, sinasabi ko sa kanya, nakikita ko lang siya sa trabaho eh. Minsan nagtatampo, hindi natin maiwasan magtampo bilang tatay. Kasi sabi ko, buti na lang may asap ka, buti na lang may sunlight tayo, buti na lang may trabaho tayo magkasama. At least I get to see you once in a while. Other than that, pag busy sa trabaho, hindi ko na nakakasama. So, minsan gusto ko lang patigilin sa pag-aartista. Mahirap eh. You know, I want to spend more time with him, pero wala, may trabaho na rin eh. So, hintay na lang ako pag libre siya.
at least may bonding time kayo sa Sunday.
At least hindi mo siya kailangan sustentuhan, di ba?
May sarili na rin siyang mga...
Sarili na siya. Thanks to Sun Life, actually, if I may add, it's because of Sun Life, the reason why my son came over last year, because Sun Life invited him to be an ambassador. So sabi ko, of course, it's my family. They've been my family for the longest time. And when they asked me about my son, mahirap for me as a father, but I had to be practical also for himself, for my son's future. And kami yung testimony you know, yung buhay namin testimony. So sa Sun Life, hindi mahirap to endorse something na pinaniniwalaan mo at the same time. Alam mong yun ang buhay namin. Baga, hindi ko masabihin directly na Sun Life ang bumubuhay sa amin. I know our future is secure because of Sun Life.
Thanks, PJ. Regards kay Easy.
Thank you.
Okay, next question, Ronald Nasente.
Hi, PJ. Bago sa'yo, kay Tito Boy muna. Ay, Tito Boy.
Yes.
So, ano feeling mo na tonight with Boy Abunda na lang? Wala na siya sa show mo.
Ito na may isang mabilisang opinion lamang. Bahala sila. Siguro, meron lamang na ibang focus itong si best friend Quizzy. Kaya kailangan niyang makapag-relax kasi niya marami siyang shooting at marami siyang pinagkakaula sa kanyang pamilya. Yun lamang.
Di ba health condition ang problema ni Chris? O ikaw talaga, ang best friend mo, di mo alam. Joe. Anyway,
What's that?
para kay Papa P na lang. Paki. Ano yun? Since takbo-takbo naman ang usapan dito, di ba? Election ng election, wala bang humingi kahit siya na sumali sa kanilang partido?
Meron, pero wala sa utak ko yun eh. Ayoko, mas maganda na yung plataforma natin sa industriya. You can help in your own way. Tsaka masyadong magulo. Wala lang na sa plano ko at sa pangarap kong maging politiko.
Pigil lang yung position yun.
Huwag na.
Sige na.
Huwag na.
Ito.
Text ko sa'yo.
Bibig text ko sa'yo mamaya, Nadia.
Sige.
Anyway, ito na lang. Teka lang. Di ba okay na kayo ni Casey? I-invite mo ba siya makitakbo sa'yo? At saka si Sharon talaga kasi sabi ni Sharon, nagsisisi na raw siya kung ano man nasabi niya sa'yo dati. Yung sa tweets. Sino nasawagot ito, no?
Anong tanong?
Oh, di ba?
Si Casey ba? Teka, hello?
May caller. Okay, may caller siya. Okay, next question. I think this is the last question. From Aiza. Aiza, Sanda. Para makita ka ni Barafi.
Speaking of running, meron lang isang gustong magtanong ba? Yung inutusan niyo yung tanong. Why do you keep running away from marriage? Or when are you gonna stop kicking the idea of marriage?
I'm not running away from it. I'm actually looking forward to settling down. I'm just not in a position to be in a relationship right now because I'm, as we all know, married to my work. I work every day. I don't want to pass up on the opportunities that come my way because pag tumanda tayo, hindi na pareho yung mga offers. So I'm just taking advantage of whatever I have at hand. And at the same time, I want to be practical. You know, in time, I'll be 40 a year's time. So I'm really looking forward to it and maybe smell the flowers, slow down in my career, and hopefully wishfully thinking, you know, I'll have time for it when it comes. Thank you po.
May katanungan pa po? Are we good? May follow-up si Tita Nitz at si Janice. Nitz Miralem.
Hello. Sabi mo kanina yung healthy lifestyle. So ano mga food ang kinik out mo?
Wala po, lahat kinakain ko. Grabe, ang lakas ko kumain. Mahirap magpigil sa pagkain, kaya dinadagdagan ko na lang yung working out hours ko, yung training ko. So I can eat anything and everything that's on my plate. lahat ng rice.
Janice, you have a question?
Hi, Papa P. Curious lang ako kung kasi si Gary V. alam ng showbiz na may diabetes, di ba? Matagal na suffer siya sa diabetes. Bakit hindi siya nakasama dun sa list of stars na tatakbong kasama mo?
We can actually invite you, Gary. Miss Risa? Yeah, I'll invite him. He's a good friend and I'm sure he'll be happy to know about our cause for this run. So thanks for that. I'll personally invite him if he's around, yeah.
And pag may mga ganitong run, Papa P, alam naman natin, syempre mga artista, may mga fans na kaya sumasama. Dahil nandiyan kayong mga artista. May chance ba na makapagpa-picture sila sa inyo after the run?
Of course. It's a given because most of us stay, and then freshen up ng kaunti. And then, nandun lang kami. We're gonna stay dun sa stage. And of course, that's a good opportunity so we can meet with the fans as well. And most of them, actually, yung mga fans ko na sumasali, we have a meet and greet afterwards, after nung race, bago mag-show. So, maganda rin magsama-sama din after.
Then last question ko, anong nafe-feel mo, Papa P, na kahit na dyan na rin si Inigo, parang marami nagsasabi na mas habulin ka pa rin daw ng mga babae?
Kasi hindi pa na tawag dito. Wala bang exclusive eh. So I guess, that has, ano ba yun? Wala pa kasi may-ari. Kaya siguro,
Marami pa rin nagpupunahan.
merong nagbabalak. Baliktad.
Pero pag tumatakbo ka, may mga sumasabi ba sa'yo?
You know what's good about running? I always run in UP. What's good about it? Kasi syempre pag wala run, hindi ako tumitigil eh. I always start slow, diesel, and then I run faster as I progress. So pag may mga gusto magpa-picture, I always tell them, in a very polite way, they can wait. Some of them would wait for an hour, some of them would wait for 30 minutes. Tapos pagtapos ko, kung nasan ko sila iiwan, nandun lang sila, and then I take photos with them.
Kasi hindi ka pwedeng pumunta.
Hindi kasi ako tumihinto pag tumatakbo.
Picture!
So wala pa, Papa P, na naglakas ng loob na sabayan ka talaga at makipagputuhan sa'yo, makipagkilala?
Meron. It happens all the time.
Hindi naman white in tandem. Hindi naman white in tandem mo sa mga balsa.
Running in tandem.
Maganda na yung manilo kasi nakakatakot na yun.
So nag-entertain ka naman pala ng mga strangers?
Oo naman. Meron lang minsan nasa bike. Tapos papapicture. After magpa-picture, makipag-usap sa'yo. Tapos pag hindi mo na pinapansin, sasabihin sa'yo sa plano. Gusto mo itulak sa bike eh. Pero yung mga ganun lang. Pero otherwise, okay naman. If you can face, yeah. Mas maganda na kasi at least may nakakausap ka.
So from there, Papa P, may possibility ba na makilala mo ang girl of your dream? May possibility ba na makilala mo ang girl of your dream dun sa mga sumasabay sa'yo, yung mga nakakasalamuha?
Sa pagtakbo, pwede naman yan, di ba? Pero wala naman dun yung motivation natin. Ang motivation para makatapos. Pero gusto ko rin syempre yung fit, yung talaga mahilig sa workout, mahilig mag-exercise, mahilig tumakbo. Kasi yung talaga yung hilig ko eh.
So yung common interest nyo?
Yes.
Yan na, tip na sa mga girls. Thank you, Papa P.
Thank you, Jack.
From Mario Bautista.
Piolo, congratulations. You had two very well-received movies.
Thank you, Damar.
With Tony and with Sarah. So what's in store for you for this coming year?
They started taping for Written in Our Stars yesterday. Yung mga bata po, that's the soap opera I'm starring in with Tony Gonzaga, Samuel D, and Julina Magdangal. It's going to be out hopefully first quarter of the year next year. And movie-wise, we just had a theatrical run for Silo. They already got my calendar for a movie project in Star Cinema. Hopefully, either Kim or Tony. Pero wala pa pong pitching. Pero yun po yung pinasa nilang mga pangalan na baka pwedeng makatrabaho sa pelikula.
So hindi ba parang preview yung etiquette na si Kim ang kasama mo?
I think that's that's how they got the idea. Parang naisip nila, may chemistry daw. So sabi ko, yeah, I've been requesting for him actually for the longest time. Siguro schedules lang din po.
And napansin ko lang kasi parang this year, usually kasi yung run merong concert na kasama. So how about this year? Parang
Meron po siya. After the run, after all is done, yung mga hindi po tatakbong artista, may iba nag-volunteer din to sing and perform. Si Jason, he's running and he's also performing. Si Kit Kat, performing.
Yes.
So yun po, may mga artista na hindi tatakbo pero kakanta, pupunta for the event at night.
So with Kim as your possible next partner, it's going to be another romantic movie.
Of course, it's a romantic.
Wala bang nakikita na gagawin mo na serious drama in the near future?
Meron po, pero mahirap pa pag-usapan. I'm in constant talks with Paul Soriano of 1070p. Of course, yung indie namin ni Lloyd is gonna come out next year pa.
Tapos na ba yun?
Tapos matagal na po after the breakup, playlist. But Direct Paul Soriano and I and Direct Joyce Bernal are constantly talking. We would meet once or twice a month just to, brainstorm and to think of concepts na pwede namin gawin in the future.
Okay, good luck. I hope matuloy yan. And
Salamat po.
looking forward to it. And thank you for very this nice advocacy.
Thank you, Mr. Mark.
We're good?
Yes, congratulations, Mr.
Thank you, everyone.
Ronald.
Yes. Thank you.